Alright guys, good morning again guys. Fishing ulit tayo guys. Enjoy tayo ng fishing guys habang may ipa. Kasi lang maaga tayo nagigising ngayon guys. Kahapon kasi I bring my car to the Toyota. Change the new battery guys. After almost 8 years. Because this battery done already the contract. It's a $4,000 like that battery for my previous Toyota. And this time, good morning, Mr. B in California. And morning Mar. Last night I am going very late already. Maybe like 9 or 10 already guys. Kaya umuwi lang tayo ng buwan. Kaya ngayon, mga itin guys, maaga pa tayo, busy tayo. Enjoy natin na pangang sa lahat na today. And then yesterday I have 125 I almost like almost 9 pounds using a rod on my reel. And thank you very much for Irving and Toyota Micro. Irving, Mr. Irving, thank you very much bro. God bless for you. You're trying fishing bro. And si Catalia Robney, that's my good friend since 1990 guys. Good morning bro. Shout out sa mga kaibigan natin dito sa Saipan. Ngayon dito naman si Papa Jero ngayon. Go to fishing today. Punta tayo ngayon sa fishingan ulit. Kaya habang tayo ay tumatakbo, tingnan nyo naman ang kasada natin guys. Yes, this is it at the beautiful island of Saipan. Yan. Thank you for the comment this morning. He told me, Papa Jerry, you for your rape, I don't sell your fish. Thank you for your coin bro, but honest to goodness, my freezer is already full of the fish today. Yeah, that's why if I don't sell my fish, what can I do? Honest to goodness bro, I give him some my friend fish too, especially yesterday. Even I sell the fish like $40 again, and some maybe 3 pounds I give somebody. At least you get a blessing, right? And this is again guys, Papa Jerry even still a sickness. I am enjoying only guys. Now I came here from the state 160, now 175 already guys. Very fast to going fat again my stomach. Too much eating the rice and kilawin tinola tahi guys. Continuous tayo guys. Ang gasolina natin guys, tingnan nyo, hindi ko nakargaan sa sobrang busy ko. Isang buwit na lang yan. Kaya maggasolina naman tayo dito sa Garapan gas station. Alright, God bless to all guys. I love you very much from Papa inside in heart, especially my friend in Sacramento, California, Mr. B. This is the only one guy in California guys. I'm sorry for him, he don't have family already. Maybe soon in the future I go back again to California guys, to enjoy the short of my life, or maybe my check up again. Alright, expressive lang guys. Yes sir. Panto kong guys. Hot. It's not hot but it's not okay. The A-lover guys. The E-lovers. Pagpapachill guys, time to go home. Right. spot. But maybe I want to looking another spot, guys. Yeah, but I relax a little bit. Another side still there. Oh yeah, guys. But I'll be walking a little bit. Guarantee, guys. Yeah, walking. But no need already, guys. Let's go. I'm looking another spot. So catching the mama maputi today, guys. Because I don't have a maputi today, only one. I tried this morning, but nothing. Only one, I think. By the way, before I go, once again, papadyer, guys. Not bad already. Yeah, Ebrata Estrella, shout out. Featuring Mr. Jiro. Huli natin ngayon, guys. Kaya maghanap tayo ng ulit ng spot. Walang bagong spot, guys. Alright, ito lang. Muna again, Mr. B. Kasi papadyer today. Harap tayo ng bagay. Makakuha tayong mamang makikita. Right. Guys, time to clean up black. Okay, watching again, guys. It's today. Out. But today, another sold out, guys.